Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will share with you how to use Apollo IO to find emails. So friends, go to Google, go to for Apollo IO, and then all you have to do, click on log in your Apollo IO or sign up with your accounts. This is the first step, log in your accounts as I say. After logging your accounts, go to this section, the people. So guys, when you go to this section of people and this section, you can filter and you can use this section to find emails by email state, jobs titles, by companies and location. So friends, in this case, you can use persona. You should be you can use create manually with your AI. You have two options here. Choose manually here and then click new persona. After that, choose any persona names. After that, choose the titles, and then you can post and manage your this title jobs. So friends, as I say, you can filter and you can use any browse example. For example, choose United States. From here, just await. You will give you some access jobs title emails. Just click access email from this section. And then these tools you will be give you emails and lists to find this all email from here. You have names, as you can see here. These tools give you your names. From here you have technologies, you have companies. This is some emails, as you can see here. This is contact information, and then you can use different filter search, and you can add a list here. You have a layouts, you have a contact log calls, you have different option, guys. This is how you can use to find emails. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this